welcome back to another YouTube channel and welcome back to another week's video. As you can see from today's title, we are doing a little night in my life. We are going to QR, which is Queensland Raceway. And we're going to go onto the track and we're going to go do some few laps as well on there. But we're heading over to our mate's place and we're gonna meet there and then we're gonna go over to the track together. So yeah, we're just heading to Macca's at the moment so we can get our soft drink fix. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Hi guys, welcome back. I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 6:30 at night. And we just finished our first cruise session, so that was fun. But I thought I would show you what I picked up at our little Hot Wheels stall here. So my boyfriend Josh got this. It is a Nissan Skyline GTR in white. It's pretty cool. I don't think he's actually picked up one like that before. Then I got this little thing here. It is the 180 from Nissan. This is what it looks like. I quite like it. And then this is what I'm most excited about. So I really want to have a S15. So I picked up an S15. How cool is that? But yeah, we're gonna go on another 3-4 runs, so I'll keep you updated and I'll film them. But yeah, focusing. So how was that experience for you, Josh?
It's an 11 out of 10. It was awesome.
I think I'm at an 8 so far out of 10. I think it's just because of the fuel.
But you'll get used to that. There's obviously you probably have 3 different types of fuel.
Yeah.
That's going on right now. You've got 98, E85,
91.
Probably some dumbass on 91.
That would be me.
Yes.
But I'm enjoying it. How like some people are like gapping us. and how we're gapping people. I think there's just some retards that just need to learn how to drive because they're just braking for no reason. But yeah, enjoying the experience so far. But now we are just gonna go get some food, go to the bathroom because it's freezing. It's like 10 degrees out here. But yeah, we'll get some more clips from our next cruising session, which is our last one. And yeah.
You know who made it.